Hello everyone, I hope you are having a wonderful day. I am so excited to be getting into the fall FabFitFun box. I almost said genetically, not genetically, historically. The fall one is my favorite box of the entire year. If you're unacquainted with FabFitFun, it is a seasonal, quarterly subscription box, and the fall box is usually full of delightful fall-themed items. I have to warn you guys, my husband is in the room with me. I do not normally film with him watching me, so if you hear him, he's literally napping next to me. We'll see if he can maintain his silence. I'm trying out a really delicious tea today. It's from this brand called Fava Tea Company, and this is the Pistachio Torte black tea. I normally stay away from flavored teas because a lot of times they just give me a headache. I don't like them, but this one's actually really good. I've recently, I feel like, learned to appreciate the amaretto flavor, and this does have marzipan drops, so I think it's actually quite good. Okay, let's get into this box. It has been sitting on my floor for 3 days at this point, and I have just not been able to film this video. I'm so excited to finally get into it, and I literally have just a few minutes to do this with you guys, so let's begin. I'm so excited. Even though as an annual member I can choose the items in my box, it was such a long time ago that I don't remember the majority of things that are in here. I think I can think of 2 things that are in this box. We've got paper. Right away on top there is like a little freebie. They sent along some Ricola throat balm drops. I couldn't think of that word. These will probably get used for us this winter. I appreciate the fact that they put these in the box. Okay, right on top looks like a super fun item, and this is one of the items I remember choosing. This is some sort of a scarf. Looks super cute, but I remember when I looked at it that it looked like an odd shape. So let's see how it looks here. Ooh, look at the pretty pattern. It seems very 70s-ish to me in a good way. That's not always a good thing, but I like this. This is from a brand called Timberland. Ooh, that's lovely. It does make me think of, like, I don't know, classic British period films or something. That's beautiful. Love it. I do wear scarves, actually, so I will use this. Very, very pretty. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, this is the other item I was so excited for. This is from Summer Fridays. This is the Lip Butter Balm in Vanilla Beige. This has been viral all over the internet, it seems. You need to check the ingredients before I even try it to make sure it doesn't have any sort of plumping ingredients in it, which seems to be getting into all sorts of products nowadays. Okay, I don't see anything, at least nothing is striking me as any sort of a plumping ingredient. I don't want to take off my lipstick to try this. I might put a little bit on top. Ooh, it does feel super buttery and pleasant. I can't wait to give you guys a more thorough review on this. Look for this in a review coming up soon. Okay, moving on with the rest of the box. Ooh, this is a fun product. So this is from Vegamore. This is the dry shampoo Grow edition. I don't know. So of course it does all the things that dry shampoo usually claims to do, like, you know, absorbing oil and sweat, but it also contains micro encapsulated phytoactives to help support thicker, fuller, longer looking strands for people with thinning hair. I have been losing my hair around my face, so I was very interested to try this product. Again, stay tuned for a review on this. Here's a fun little product from Lujo Bar. This has 4 eucalyptus shower steamers in this little packet, which I've used shower steamers in the past. They're actually really, really pleasant when you have a cold. I will be saving these for any winter illness that we may encounter this year. I can smell them through the package, which is a good thing. When it comes to shower steamers, I've had some that were very lackluster and sad, so I'm hoping that these are good. Next up, we have a product from Necessaire, which I am sure I'm mispronouncing that, but this is, again, a very, very popular skincare brand. This is the body lotion. I've had their shower gel in my shower now for months. It's lasted a really long time, and I've been enjoying it. But here we have a nice big bottle of the body lotion, which, what's the scent on this one? Oh, it's fragrance free, even better. My poor little hubby over there often cannot stand fragranced body lotion, so I think that he will appreciate this immensely. Ooh, yay! And we have a tote. I feel like no matter how many times I get bags, I always could use more. I don't know where they go. And this one looks super cute. This is from the brand Alice and Olivia by Stacey Bennett. No, Benday. And this is the duffel bag. So it has these really cute stripes little pockets on the side. Look at the cute little zipper pull. And it does come with a strap if you want to attach it, and it looks like lots of room on the inside. These little bags I've gotten from FabFitFun over the years have actually come in very handy. Happy to have the super cute one. And that was the last item in my box. What did you guys get in your box? There's so many different variations. I always love hearing what people get in their box. Make sure and let me know down in the comment section. Also, if you tried any of these products, let me know what you think of them. I always love to hear people's reviews. I'll see you again very soon in the next one. Bye guys.